A second year of groundwater monitoring is now complete at the Environmental Management Disposal Facility. The results are in, and now the focus shifts to what comes next for the project. Hear why this data matters and how it's helping keep cleanup on schedule. You're looking at Oak Ridge's next waste disposal facility. Before construction can move forward on the Environmental Management Disposal Facility, crews have to prove the design works. That's why they built a demonstration on part of the landfill's footprint. They installed several monitoring wells to track how groundwater responds during the wettest months of the year.
We continued to monitor all of the well piezometers in this area. There were 6 key piezometers, though, within the groundwater field demonstration. All of those showed that once they had the cover over place, they did not respond when we had rain.
The cover system is designed to keep waste safely separated from the groundwater below. The purpose of the 2-year project was to confirm that real-world conditions would do the same.
So you'll have, your bedrock where your groundwater area is, and then above that you will have a geobuffer layer, which it'll be compacted clay. Above that you will start having the liner system for the landfill, and that'll include a geomembrane liner, you'll have your leachate collection system, you'll have a leak detection system, and you'll have several layers of geomembrane there. And on top of that is where you will have your waste. And so that separation between the bottom of that waste and the top of the groundwater, which is down below and below that geobuffer layer, that's where you have to have a 10-foot separation.
The results are trending in the right direction.
So what we saw over both wet seasons was a steady decline in the groundwater elevations underneath the groundwater field demonstration cover.
Groundwater levels are declining, just not as quickly as expected. In response, the landfill's base elevation will be raised to maintain the required distance of separation from groundwater.
It is exciting to see it start coming together in the field. The groundwater field demo was a necessary part of that to get the design and to get through the design phase of it, to build regulatory confidence in that design.
That's important because EMDF is crucial to keeping cleanup moving at Y12 and ORNL. The current waste disposal facility is already nearing capacity.
EMWMF is over 86% full right now. So within the coming years, the additional capacity here that allows us to continue with doing cost-effective and efficient waste disposal on site is very important.
While the final design work continues, the project is moving closer to construction, with support facilities planned to go up in the fall.